Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another temporary hair color video. But before we get started with this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, thumb it up. And while you're at it, make sure you hit that subscribe button down there. We are on a road to 400 subscribers, so make sure you hit that subscribe button for me. Now that we got that out of the way, let's jump right into the video. In today's temporary color hair video, we are using CURLSMITH hair makeup, and it is in the color copper, and this is what it looks like. Yes, it is a little dirty because this is going to be my second time using it. The first video that I recorded, I absolutely hated the way I looked, so you guys will not be seeing that, but I am about to re-record it. We're doing that now. But it says CURLSMITH Color Recipe Copper. And it says temporary color styling gel, rinses in one wash. And this is the 3 fluid ounces. The directions says apply on damp, detangled hair, divide the hair into sections, rake a generous amount throughout each section, then scrunch to help curls spring back, air dry or diffuse, then scrunch again to break the cast. And it says tips, apply a leave-in conditioner before the color to keep the curls hydrated. So y'all already know my hair is already moisturized and hydrated. So we just gonna jump right into the video and I'm gonna come back to y'all with the results. Y'all, these are the finished results. I'm absolutely loving the brown. If y'all don't know, I already did 2 videos on the color copper. I am absolutely obsessed with the color copper for whatever reason. And I know in my last video I said that I would dye my hair that color, but I think I would really dye my hair this color because it's just so, I don't know what word I'm looking for. It's so natural looking. So I would highly recommend CURLSMITH, the CURLSMITH hair makeup in the color copper. It is 3 fluid ounces and I did purchase it for $20. They do have the colors red, blue, yellow, which is gold, and pink, rose gold pink. What I like most about this hair makeup is the fact that I don't have a lot of residue on my hands like I did with the ORS hair wax. Also, the hair is soft, it's not crunchy, it's really lightweight. It is a little flakage, but it's not as much as the other product that I used in my last video. If you haven't watched that one, make sure you go watch that one. I'm gonna leave it in the description box. If you're looking for a temporary color, I would highly recommend any CURLSMITH product because it's natural looking and it's really lightweight. Be on the lookout for my new color series. I do have a bunch of ORS colors, so I will be doing videos on those colors. So be on the lookout for that. If you found this video informative in any way, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, thumb it up, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.